Looking for the best hoverboards for kids? In this video, we'll walk you through some of the safest, most reliable, and fun options to help kids ride with style and confidence. Our channel shares quality videos daily to give you smarter ideas about the best products out there. So stick around and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. Number 1. GoTrax Nova Pro. Of all the hoverboards we tested, our confident kid testers consistently came back to the GoTrax Nova, hard to find, and Nova Pro, more readily available. These kids' hoverboards offered a smooth ride inside and outdoors, and accelerated at a brisk but controlled pace. And while both of these GoTrax hoverboards were quickly responsive to the rider's movements, they also offered plenty of self-balancing correction to bolster confidence and keep kids steady on their feet. Both the Nova and Nova Pro have a max MPH of 6.2, but the Pro offers a few upgrades. Its max ride time per charge is 5 miles compared to the Nova's 3.1, and the Pro is also a Bluetooth hoverboard that easily pairs with your smartphone. The Pro also has 6.5-inch all-terrain tires compared to the Nova's 6.5-inch smooth tread. Our testers actually preferred the Nova's smooth tread tires, stating that the Pro's all-terrain tread was a little bumpy on the sidewalk and asphalt. Number 2. Jetson Flash. Most hoverboards max out between 6 and 7 miles per hour, which is a safe and controlled speed for your average kid. But for older kids who are experienced hoverboard riders, more speed may be essential to keep them entertained. With a 10-mile-per-hour max speed, our test riders, 12 years and 15 years old, immediately noticed the increase in speed as they did laps around the neighborhood. They also couldn't stop raving about how responsive the Flash was to their movements and how smoothly it executed exactly what they wanted it to do. Beyond speed and maneuverability, the Flash instantly impressed our tweens and teens with the variety of colored lights that can flash and dance to the beat with any music you're playing on your phone, with lights on the top, front, and back of the board, as well as through the tunnel of each wheel. Even Dad was super impressed as we jammed with the Flash to his 90s hip-hop playlist. The Jetson Flash quickly became the king of the hoverboards at our house. Number 3. Hover One Ultra. One of the primary pain points for many hoverboards is that they can't travel very far on a single battery charge. Its up to 7 miles per battery charge is over 2x the distance of cheap hoverboards. The Hover One is quite a bit heavier than other boards, but that will only really matter if your child will have to pick it up and carry it long distances. It also doesn't have flashy extras like Bluetooth or colored LED wheel lights, which you might expect for the price. With Hover One, the built-in inertia dynamic stabilization system keeps you in control. The Ultra self-balancing board stabilizes the rider, ensuring a safe, stable, and fun riding experience. The balance board sends alerts if you are speeding or riding on unsafe surfaces so you can slow down and avoid mishaps. LED lights on both sides add visibility when it matters most. Number 4. Hover One Falcon. If you haven't yet seen a hoverboard attachment in action, you are missing out. Adding a second element of fun, hoverboard seats essentially turn any hoverboard into a mini go-kart. With handle pedals to steer as well as control speed, these carts allow any rider, even those who can't operate a hoverboard standing up, to thoroughly enjoy a hoverboard. While there are many versions of these attachments available online, the Hover One Falcon has consistently received great reviews and certainly didn't disappoint our own testers. Once assembled, the cart easily attaches via Velcro straps that wrap around the foot platforms of the hoverboard. The Falcon is different from other hoverboard go-karts as it includes a fog blaster with LED lights and sounds that attaches to the back of the cart. While certainly cool, the blaster needs to be activated by pushing a button on the unit, so the rider can't actually turn it on or off while riding. Number 5. Gyroor G13. Our testers found the Gyroor G13 to be fast, fun, and impressively responsive. Compared to the GoTrax Edge, the G13 offered a more agile ride, making it a favorite among older riders. It also has a higher top speed, 7.75 miles per hour versus 6.2 miles per hour on the Edge. adding to the excitement for those seeking a bit more thrill. While it's marketed as an all-terrain hoverboard, we'd caution that it's not truly suited for off-road use. In fact, we'd argue no kids. Hoverboard is. The G13 handles compact dirt better than the Edge, but still struggles with rocks and uneven surfaces. One important consideration: the Gyroor G13 is non-returnable. For families who want more flexibility, the GoTrax Edge, backed by a 30-day return policy on Walmart, is a safer bet.